Everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today's Thursday, August 14th, and I have some brand new patterns from a new pattern designer to us to share with you. And then we have Liberty Christmas, which I know a lot of people have been waiting on. So these are new patterns designed by Andrea Smith of Happy Cloud Creations. Oh, Susan likes that one. Andrea's goal as a quilt designer is to create patterns that are easy to understand so anyone can join in the quilting fun. And these all come in, within the pattern is a ton of different sizes. So you can create that quilt for lots of different people. I know I've made the same quilt more than once for different people. So those are brand new to us. And I want to thank Lana Keela, one of our customers who now lives in Ohio, for introducing me to Happy Cloud. Now we have Liberty Christmas Festive Greetings. Sparked by the magic of Christmas, the Festive Greetings collection celebrates the highlights of the Yuletide season. In true Liberty style, we revisit cherished traditions and activities, discovering a treasure trove of delights. Embark with us on a journey through snowy landscapes, cozy havens, and twinkling night skies in traditional reds and greens or light and dark blues. The collection is traditionally screen printed onto Lazen bee cotton, which is a base specifically developed for quilting and crafting projects. And then while I show you the rest of this collection, I want to let you know that the QuiltCon 2026 put on by the Modern Quilt Guild is going to be in Raleigh in February 2026, and we are a gold sponsor of the event, and we are also a vendor. And QuiltCon registration opens next Wednesday, so we want to tell you about that. The Modern Quilt Guild members registration for classes and lectures opens next Wednesday, August 20th at 10 o'clock Eastern Time. And the classes and lectures sell out quickly. So joining the Modern Quilt Guild is your best chance to register. Set up your membership as soon as possible so it's processed in time to register. Tickets to see the quilt show and the vendor mall will be available online and at the convention center in February. And we are very excited. We have some fun plans for our booth next year, and our booth will actually be bigger than it was in 2024. We're going with a 40-foot by 10-foot booth this time, and we hope that you'll plan to visit us when you come to QuiltCon. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, find some time to sew, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.